Okay, children. Globalization and the pressure of competition. Globalization and the pressure of competition have substantially substantially changed the lives of workers. Changed the lives of lives. लाइफ का प्लूरल है lives. fe जो है वो हट जाता है और ves लग जाता है. पढ़ा होगा आपने इंग्लिश में. Change the lives of workers. Full stop. Companies have looked for the companies have looked for the cheapest goods. cheapest. cheapest सस्ते से भी सस्ता. cheapest goods in order to maximize their profits. In order to maximize maximize their their profits. Maximize their profits. Full stop. For this cost of raw materials, for this cost of raw materials. raw material क्या होता है? कच्चा माल. जैसे कोई बिल्डिंग बननी है, कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन होना है, तो उसके लिए रेत, सीमेंट, बजरी, पत्थर, लोहा, ये सब क्या है? रॉ मटेरियल है. ये सारे मिलकर जो है वो एक बिल्डिंग का कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं, एक बिल्डिंग को बनाते हैं. फाइन. सो फॉर दिस कॉस्ट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स cannot be reduced. Cannot be reduced. 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 For this cost of raw materials cannot be reduced, comma, employers employers. एम्प्लॉयर कौन होता है और एम्प्लॉई कौन होता है? जैसे मैं अपनी बात करूं तो इस स्कूल में जो एम्प्लॉयर है जो जॉब देता है, तो एम्प्लॉयर कौन है? डायरेक्टर सर एम्प्लॉयर हैं. एंड वी टीचर्स जिनको जो जॉब कर रहे हैं उनके पास वो कौन है? एम्प्लॉई है. तो दोनों में डिफरेंस आपको पता होना चाहिए, एम्प्लॉयर एंड एम्प्लॉई में. ठीक है. एम्प्लॉयर जो हमें क्या करता है, जैसे टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट. तो टीचर जो टीच कर रहा है एंड स्टूडेंट आप जो है वो क्या कर रहे हो? जो टीचर टीच कर रहे हो उसको आप सुन रहे हो, उसको आप सीख रहे हो. यू आर लर्नर, आई एम टीचर. एम्प्लॉयर और एम्प्लॉई. एम्प्लॉयर जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट जो है वो हमें प्रोवाइड करवा रहा है. ठीक है. सो एम्प्लॉयर्स ट्राई टू कट labor costs. LABOUR, labor costs. Full stop. They do not have to pay. They do not have to pay. They do not have to pay workers for the whole year. They do not have to pay workers for the whole whole year by EAR. Whole and whole. एक है WHOLE, whole means सारा. HOLE whole means 6, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे आएगा होल ईयर, पूरा साल, होल ईयर, फुल स्टॉप। Wages are low and workers are forced to work overtime. Wages are low. Wages are low and workers are forced. And workers are forced to work. Workers are forced to work. W-O-R-K, work. Overtime. Work overtime. O-V-E-R-T-I-M-E. Overtime. To make both ends meet. To make both ends, B-O-T-H, both ends, E-N-D-S, ends meet. M-E-E-T, full stop. Full stop. In this way, companies have to make large profits. In this way, companies have to make large profits. Companies have to make large profits, comma, workers are denied D-E-N-I-E-D, denied their, T-H-E-I-R, their share of benefits, share of benefits, B-E-N-E-F-I-T-S, benefits brought by companies, brought by, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought by companies, full stop. Written?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandini, read out this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Globalization and the pressure of competition have substantially changed the lives of workers. Companies have looked for the cheapest goods in order to maximize their profits. For this, cost of raw materials cannot be reduced. Employers try to cut labor cost. They do not have to pay workers for the whole year. Wages are low and workers are forced to work overtime to make both ends meet. In this way, companies have to make large profits. Workers are denied their share of benefits brought by companies. I'm done.
Okay. Just wait, one student is entering the class. कैमरा ऑन चाहिए मुझे जिन्होंने भी अभी क्लास ज्वाइन करी. सचिन एंड हु इज दिस? सचिन, कैमरा ऑन करो, नहीं तो मैं निकाल दूंगी क्लास से अभी. Aditya and Sachin, please keep your camera on, otherwise I will remove you from the class. Are you getting my point? आपको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? कैमरा ऑफ करके क्यों बैठते हो क्लास में? क्या है यहाँ पे? मैंने कैमरा ऑफ करने, बेटा मैं इसी काम में थोड़ी लगी रहूंगी, मैं आपको यही बोलती रहूंगी कैमरा ऑन करो, कैमरा ऑन करो। क्या बदतमीजी है ये? निकली क्लास से बाहर। Investments is to buy up local companies, to buy up, buy up local companies,
What is after to buy?
Okay, sure. The most common way for MNC's investments is to buy up, buy up local companies, and to expand production, and then to expand production, and then to expand production. Full stop. Full stop. MNCs with huge wealth, wealth होता है richness. MNCs with huge बहुत ज्यादा, HUGE, huge wealth, 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 can quite easily do so. MNCs with huge wealth can quite easily do so. Full stop. There is another way in which MNCs control production.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Just wait, Vita. I have to check that whose camera is not on. There is another way in which MNCs control production. There is another way in which MNCs control production. Full stop. Large MNCs in developed, जिसका भी mic on है, Yuvika, your mic is on. Turn it off. Large MNCs, MNC मतलब बताया था मैंने उस दिन भी, बताइए मुझे.
Multinational corporations.
Large MNCs in developed countries large MNCs in developed countries, DEVELOPED, developed countries, place orders.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Orders. Yes.
मैम आपने लार्ज एमएन आगे क्या बोला?
Large MNCs in developed countries, DEVELOPED, developed countries, place orders for production, place orders for production with small producers, full stop. Garments, 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 footwear, footwear, sports items, garments, footwear, sports items are examples of industries. Sports items are examples of industries. Examples of industries where production is carried out. Where production is carried out. Production is carried out by a large number of small producers, around the world.
Please repeat.
Garments, footwear, sports items are examples of industries where production is carried out by a large number of small producers around the world. MNCs have tremendous power. MNCs have tremendous, मत लिखिए tremendous, मत लिखिए, सीधा लिखिए MNCs have power to determine price. जल्दी करना, मुझे अटेंडेंस भी लेनी है. MNCs have power to determine price, quality, delivery, 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 and labor conditions for these distant producers. For these distant, DISTANT, distant producers. Written? In this way.
Yes, ma'am.
In this way, MNCs are spreading their production. In this way, MNCs are spreading SPREDING, spreading their production, THEIR, their production in various countries across the globe. In various countries across the globe. Written, children? Kindly attend your roll call. Rajneesh, fast. Divyanshi, Arpit, Arpit, Sachin, Nitesh, Jatin, Sujal, Divyanshi.
Present, ma'am.
तो जल्दी से बोलिए. जन्नत,
Yes, ma'am.
रिया,
Present, ma'am.
शिवांचल, कोमल,
Present, ma'am.